Hey everybody, me and Kamal and my oldest son. Say hey, King.
Hey.
He has a channel. It's called Rapid Productions. Y'all go subscribe to his channel, show him some love. And there go Kamal, mean self. Look at him. Tell him hey, Kamal. We're going to the store to get something to cook today, so I'll be back later. We have arrived at Walmart. I'm getting ready to go in the store and pick up what we are cooking today. I think I'm going to do fried Oreos. So mainly I'll just be cooking dessert because I cooked yesterday. You want dessert? Hmm?
Yeah.
You want the fried Oreos?
Yeah.
Okay, what else you want? That's it? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll just have fried Oreos.
So,
I think the only thing I'm going to need is the Oreos. I already have cooking oil. And I think I'm going to use pancake mix for them. That's why I think I'm going to use the pancakes mix for the fried Oreos. So I'm going to go in the store. As you can see, he is very excited. So I don't think I'm going to vlog in the store. I'm going to do some vlogging in stores, but it's not going to be right now. I'm still trying to get used to the camera. And I have a problem with my mind focus on vlogging, and then I can't really pay attention to Kamal. So therefore, I won't be vlogging in the store today. But I am going to be doing some videos to where I am vlogging in the store without Kamal. So I'll be back in a minute.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, I'm back out of Walmart. I'm showing y'all the stuff that I purchased out of the store to do my fried Oreos. Of course, I have my Oreos. I only got one pack of Oreos. I'm going to be using the Hungry Jack pancake mix. It's a complete mixture, so I don't have to add eggs and all that into it. I just have to add water. And of course, to fry them, I will need my oil. So I have all that, and guess who is knocking on the door? Look at him. He get in the truck now, y'all. I came outside to show y'all what I bought because I had made it home. And look, come on. They looking at you. I already showed them. I already showed them what I got. I got Oreos and oil and pancake mix. Now he want to show y'all, so I guess I can let him show y'all everything that we got. Yay! So now we got to go make it for him. Want to go make it for him now?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Tell him we'll be back in a minute.
About me now.
Okay, everyone, we are back. We're going to mix. I have Kingston with me from Kingston Life. We are going to be mixing the pancake mix so we can fry our Oreos. So what we are going to do, we're going to use 1 cup of this. And y'all know I'm about to make a mess. I'm about to make a mess. Look at it. Already making a mess, y'all. Actually, we're going to use 2 cups of this. So we're going to use 2 cups of the pancake mix. Lord. Wrapping water and everything else.
Okay.
So that's 2. And then we're going to use 1.5 cup of water. So I got the bottle of water. I'm just going to put 1 cup of water. That's 1 cup. And then I'm going to use the 1/2 cup one to put the 1/2 cup in there. Okay, that's it for the mixing. I'm going to use the spoon to mix it up. And that will be our pancake mix. I'm going to let Kingston stir it up, y'all.
Yes.
Come on, stir it up, Kingston.
Yes. How you store them?
Huh?
How you do it? Yes.
Yep, stir it up. Stir it up. So we're gonna mix that on up, y'all.
I kind of want to smell it.
Kingston mixing it too slow, y'all.
I want to smell it.
You want to smell it?
Huh.
So we're gonna mix it up.
And then, I think these taste bad. I hope not.
And we're gonna dip the Oreos in this pancake mix,
And then try it.
which is gonna be our batter for our fried Oreos.
And then try it.
I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna dip them in the pancake mix.
What we like doing is do this right here.
We're not gonna do that right now. We gotta mix it up first. Now I have made a completely mess.
I need napkins to eat it.
I have made a mess. I can see you. Yeah, I can see you. Me and Keisha making fried Oreos.
Yeah, probably gonna have it.
I wonder how they're gonna taste. It's gonna be your first time tasting them?
Yeah.
Me too.
I think my second.
It's gonna be my first time tasting fried Oreos.
And it was yellow. I only ate one yellow.
So this is the consistency of the. Oh Lord, y'all see what I'm doing now? This don't make no sense. This is how it's supposed to look. I have made a mess. It's just gonna be like a batter. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna clean up this mess and I'll be back. Okay, me and Kingston is back with the batter mix. Here are the Oreos. Kingston gonna dip them in the batter. You gotta dip them in there. Just put them in there.
Okay.
Put at least 7. Put 7 in there.
2, 5. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't even think. 5. Need 2 more.
2 more.
This one. Should I put these at? Boom. 7.
Okay, that's 7. So the only thing we're gonna do is
Cover
do
them
like this. We're gonna cover them up in the batter.
91.
Yeah.
Yay.
Kingston actually gonna do that one, Kingston. Cover that one up in the batter. Okay, and the grease is getting hot. We're just gonna put them in the grease, y'all.
What a taste.
I'll be back once I have them in the grease. Okay, y'all, we are back. The oil is hot. I said grease at first, y'all. It's still the same thing. I told you I had my own vocabulary. You're just gonna drip it as much as you can, and you're gonna put it in the grease. Dip them as much as you can.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, so we're gonna let these cook for a little bit, and then we have to turn them over. I don't want them to cook too fast, y'all. Look like they're trying to cook too fast on me. Give me that fork. Thank you. Kingston gave me the fork, so we're gonna turn them.
Ooh, that looks so good. Look how
You gotta turn them
oh no. It's like fried chicken.
like fried chicken.
I never could break this.
Okay, they looking good. They looking good. Don't worry about this little extra stuff that y'all see. It's just the pancake mix that I put in there. I put too much.
It smells good.
So you can't let it, you see they're cooking. It don't take long for them to cook. I guess a couple, about what, a minute on each side? A minute or two on each side. But I think I had my fire up too high, but back on track now. I just had to flip them a little faster.
What does it smell like?
Smell like?
It smells like chicken.
Kingston say it smell like chicken.
No, actually, it does.
I don't know about chicken.
Okay, never mind.
Okay, I'm gonna flip them again.
Oh my god.
They are cooking so perfectly. Ooh, and they look so good. Ooh, they look good. They look delicious. Ooh, delicious. Flip on one more time. And then after this, I'm going to take them out. I'm going to take them out after this. Okay, y'all, I'm going to take them out.
Why is it?
They smell like chocolate chip instead of Oreo.
And it looks like it.
Excuse my phone. Who is calling me? While I'm over the stove. It's not a good time to call me. Okay, so this how they came out, y'all. Excuse me. Hold up. Hello? Hello? Hey, I'm doing a video. I'm gonna call you right back. You heard me? I'm doing a video. I'm gonna call you right back. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna let Kingston try them, y'all. They look delicious. Delicious. They are still hot though, y'all. They still hot. So Kingston gonna try them. Come on, Kingston. Try one. Y'all, he eating a regular Oreo. That's what he's smacking on. He about to try them. Hot. Okay, still too hot. Okay, so let me try.
That's hot.
What
the? Look at that. The chocolate inside of it, you never know.
They are good. I didn't think I was gonna like them, but yeah, they're good, huh?
Oh my god, how good.
They are good.
Okay. Okay.
You know what you need for this? A cold glass of water. Or if you drink milk, I guess milk, but I don't drink milk. I don't drink milk like that. When I used to drink milk, it used to be in my cereal, but I don't even eat cereal anymore. So I would say a cold glass of water would be great for this dessert. How about you, Kingston? What would you drink with it?
Milk.
Milk?
I'm just kidding, water.
Oh, I'm about to say milk? No, water. So If y'all want to try the fried Oreos, the recipe is very simple. To me, you can use any type of pancake mix. I would get the complete mix so where you don't have to mix eggs and all that in it. You just have to mix it up with water. You can follow directions on the box if you like. I don't never follow directions on the box. But mix your pancake mix up. Get your pack of Oreos. Dip your Oreos in your pancake batter. Cover it up. Put your oil or grease on. Whatever you want to call it. Let it get hot. Put your Oreos in the skillet and let it cook. Just about 1 minute on each side. Let it cook. And then you flip it over. Keep on flipping over for about, what, 2 times? Keep on flipping for about 2 times, 2 or 3 times. And then when it gets to this color, they are done. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video with me and Kingston from Kingston Life. This is my son.
This is the best thing ever.
Thanks for watching. Bye.